Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Dingto Bluetooth speaker with IPX7 waterproof rating. Yeah, it's sturdy, really nice, beautiful Bluetooth speaker. It has even a microphone, so it's super versatile, has even a suction cup. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what to get and how you can use that. And so here we have the speaker, and as accessories we get this wrist strap which we can put here underneath and then secure it, and we get also this charging cable. It's a USB-C charging cable. This is what we want to see in 2022, so it's a really beautiful one. It comes with this suction cup, so you can see, oh my gosh, it's really hard to remove. I really have to grab it from the side, otherwise it won't remove. Yeah, so really good solid suction cup, will stick on all the flat surfaces. And here we have the waterproof opening, waterproof lid. And so we can charge it here, and while it's charging we can see the red light indicator here. When the speaker is fully charged, the red light will just turn off. We can remove the charging cable, make sure that this opening is closed properly to make it waterproof again. And with a long press here for 3 seconds we can turn it on. You can see we have this nice blue light. We get also the audible indication. And by the way, the model type is F013D, and we get also some small instructions manual. If you're interested, maybe it can be very helpful because it has a lot of functions, and here also some information and troubleshooting tips. And so on the phone we are going to the Bluetooth setting and pair new device. While we are doing that, we can already see this really nice beautiful light, and here we see the F13D. We pair the device and it's ready. And so let's try with this bass test, and yeah, the audio is really good. There's even some real decent bass sound here. I hope you can hear that. That's impressive for such a small speaker. Maybe even better when we hook it up here, make a solid connection to the ground. So we try to stop and play. As you can see, it's reacting on that. We can start and stop. By the way, what I've seen here, it looks like it's using normal standard tripod mount 1/4 inch. So you can also hook it up to any kind of other tripod mount. So we'll put it back here, and we can increase and decrease the volume here easy with short press, and here also is short press. And when we long press here, we can go to next track or back to previous track. And when we press the mode here, we can switch to the FM function. I think we can long press here to make a search. Yeah, we can definitely search for next radio station, but I stopped this here because I don't want to get in trouble with some copyright things, so I stopped this thing here. But it definitely worked. I've been able to find some decent radio stations which came through very clear and loud. And what you also could do, you cannot only hook up one of these nice speakers to your phone, you can hook up 2 of these devices and then use stereo sound, but I don't have them here. But there's the TWS, True Wireless Stereo function built in, so you can hook them up here even with the function built in on these buttons. And so let's also test if you can use the microphone. And now I'm recording from here. You can see that it's not reacting on my phone, it's really reacting here. So let's test this. Microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. 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 Yeah, awesome. That was really impressive. I mean, we have been using microphone from here and also speaker from here. Looks like it's a very decent microphone. And so now let's see how this works in the water. Let's double check if we have closed everything nicely. And so let's put it here Yeah, it is even swimming in the water. That's pretty cool that it's swimming. So if you go on a boat, you lose it, drop it into the water, it will swim. That's also very helpful, so it doesn't go down and get lost. But you can see it keeps nicely working, fully submerged. I can push it down here and it keeps playing. Of course, it's a little bit difficult to hear it now, but when it comes up and we remove the water, it's playing like normal. Absolutely fantastic. So you can even have it in your pool floating around. Absolutely perfect. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.